Ngatho cia mwanya ni gucoka na ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Mutumia wa Samido EDDAY uria ukuihuritwo ni GÍKENO ni atiga andu matagwitikia thutha wa gucia ndeto ati she is expecting, ni ndeto akorwo agicia kuhitukira mbica agikorwo agipost on her social media pages hamwe na caption iria yakorwo igithoma, it is the most powerful creation to have life growing inside of you. There is no bigger gift. #nothing but prayers. Caption iyo ya Eddie however ni atiga andu makitukanirwo muno kana she is expecting mwana wao na Samido wa kana ni mbica ya hau kabere agikorwo akiripost, kuona in that caption akorwo tu akiuga ni GÍKENO riria uri na kana karagikura nda-ini yaku, no ndanakorwo agiconfirm kana it's a baby that is loading kana ni baby number 4 araki expect, na andu aingi ni magitigwo magithua mutwe kana hihi she is expecting her fourth child with husband Samido, kana hihi ni mbica hau kabere agikorwo agipost. To sample some of the comment, Alice Kamindo akorwo akiuga unataka kupea watu wengine pressure, beautiful mama. Diana Kamande HSC ni agikorwo akiuga baby number 4 loading, congratulations EDDAY, may God bless your journey. Na kuri no ngihahoretwo si Max Bay akiuga congrats Karen, Eddie and Samido, one great happy family indeed. More blessings to Samido's family. Please grow the family for Samido and Karen as they are busy making money to feed the happy big family. It's all that you can do, our pretty queen, keep it up. Ni kuona andu ni magikorwo na mawoni ngurani, kuri na aria magikorwo magitikia she is expecting her fourth child, na kuri aria makiri in suspense kana ni mbica hau kabere agikorwo agipost. Make sure ni wa turn on your notification na wa subscribe niguo hindi ciothe twaikia video gakorwo ri wa mbere gukinyirwo. Thank you for watching, tucemanie na wa next one.